What's up guys, and you're looking at the official look of the OnePlus 8. Yes, this is the official render of the OnePlus 8 showing off the design in its full glory via OnLeaks. The OnePlus 8 lineup is one of the most exciting and the most awaited phone of the year. These are the phones that won't take your kidney, as the CEO said himself that it's not gonna cost $1,000. Imagine if it costs $999. That'll be absolute troll. But I think the pricing will be more like this, again significantly cheaper than the competition. So the official render confirms the detail that we already know, the punch hole implementation towards the left hand side and relatively less curvy design. They finally dropped the pop-up camera mechanism. Some people think it's a downgrade, some people think it's the right direction. Let me know what you think about that. I personally believe that hole punch will eventually lead companies to hide the camera under the display. The moving camera system was never the answer, so in my opinion OnePlus is doing right. Of course there was a company right all along, that was Samsung. Anyways, the rest of the design looks pretty bezel-less with good curves. The punch hole is pretty small. We got same button placement, mute switch, volume and power keys, triple camera setup along with two logos on the back hand side. And if you look at the logo closely, this is the updated logo. The Pro will look similar to the non-Pro model but just slightly larger at 6.7 inches with an extra surprise, which is a pretty high quality ultra wide angle lens. So here are the specs for the OnePlus 8 model next to the OnePlus 8 Pro. You can see the 120Hz display, 30 watts of wireless charging will be exclusive to the Pro model. On top of that, there's a blue color for the Pro model, whereas a green color is for the OnePlus 8. I've got to say the colors this time around are looking pretty good. Another Pro feature for the Pro model is the wireless charging as well as IP68 certification. And perhaps the best exclusive Pro feature that I can look at is the 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. In addition to another 48 megapixel main lens, we also have 8 megapixel zoom as well as a 5 megapixel macro lens, most likely 16 megapixel selfie camera, Snapdragon 865, which is the best chip we have on the Android lineup, of course with 5G. With the normal OnePlus 8 you're getting DDR4 RAM compared to the DDR5 on the Pro model, and you also get a high resolution display exclusive to the Pro model. Now a lot of reasons to buy the Pro model compared to the normal one. As always, this is what I expect when it comes to the pricing. OnePlus doesn't let Google live in peace. The Pixel 4a, which is gonna come very soon, will now have another competition. It's gonna compete with the OnePlus 8 Lite. OnePlus 8 Lite will have 90Hz refresh rate, 5G, and the best MediaTek chip along with some other good specifications. So it could be the most best-selling OnePlus device of the year. Again, the whole lineup is looking pretty good. These were the specs for the 8 and 8 Pro, and of course the renders showing off the design in the full glory. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, how excited you are for the OnePlus 8 family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.